Did you know water damage to your home is more likely than theft and fire combined? And water-related repairs can cost tens of thousands of dollars? That's why we developed Flow by Moen, the intelligent real-time water security system. It monitors pressure, flow rate, and temperature across your entire home 24/7. Flow by Moen learns your water habits and pinpoints even the smallest leaks, including those behind your walls, catching them before major repairs are needed. The smart water shutoff is installed on your main water line. If a leak is detected, it shuts off the water, even if you're away. Plus, our smart water detectors are easily paired with the mobile app to detect moisture outside the pipes anywhere in your home. Flow by Moen is so effective that a recent study showed that homes equipped with it saw 96% fewer water leak claims. Protect your greatest investment with Flow by Moen. Go to moen.com/flow. Order now and receive a smart water detector at no extra cost. That's moen.com/flow.